Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Adidas app not working. So let's get started. So here we can see the Adidas app. So if it's not working for you, then you have to follow this simple method. Just press and hold into the app. Then here you have to click on this I button. It will open the app info. Okay. So when you will just go to the app info, so here you have to scroll down at the last. Then you have to click on the storage. Just click clear data. Just delete it. Then open the app again. If it's worked, then fine. If it's not worked for you, then you have to probably check for an update. So checking for an update is easy. You can directly go to the Google search bar and you can directly search for the app as Adidas app. Okay. So from here you can directly update it and use it. Okay, click on update and it will be fixed. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.